holiday weekend of severe weather. Get the very latest on the Weather Channel and weather.com. Now you're local on the 8s.
The National Weather Service has issued a weather bulletin. Currently, the temperature is 77 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with rain, heavy at times, high 78, winds east at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Flooding is possible in flood-prone areas. For tonight, windy with rain, heavy at times, low 75, winds east-southeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Flooding is possible in flood-prone areas. On Sunday, windy with rain, heavy at times, high 80. Rainfall possibly over 2 inches. Flooding is possible in flood-prone areas. Our week ahead.
When severe weather strikes, go to